This is another twist on a way to give a dozen roses. We're gonna give a dozen cupcake roses. So as you see here, we have a terracotta pot, a styrofoam ball. You can find this at any craft store. And all you're actually gonna do, you guys can follow along with me, take like 3 or 4 toothpicks.
Per cupcake.
Right? Per cupcake.
Gotcha.
Just do one right in the top. You see we've started it here. So the trick here, though, is to make the rosette with the buttercream frosting. Are you ready for this?
Rosetta cupcake.
You're gonna rosette
I'm gonna
one of
ruin,
these.
I mean decorate her cupcakes.
It's spirals. It's first grade spirals. I actually recommend starting in the middle. Let me show you a little. So start in the middle.
Yeah.
And then do your spiral all the way around.
Okay.
And then you'll end it with a little twist.
Whoa,
like
what's
this.
with the twist?
You know, look at her. You do it again.
Oh my God.
Spiral from the center outwards. It's about 3 loops.
Is that good?
It's very tasty.
Well, I like frosting, so I don't know.
Add the
Oh, sorry.
Wow, happy Valentine's Day. To add some texture, we're gonna make little. Look at this.
Brit really used to enjoy doing our show.
I've ruined it. Brit will not be returning because she doesn't want to.
So, if you do it like me, you end up like this.
You know what you're doing.
Look at this one.
Be very careful with those piping bags, everybody. They're dangerous. Watch out.
This is a really sweet, no pun intended. It's a very sweet idea that's very easy. If you use a boxed cakes mix or something, you can make it even easier, right?
Yes, totally.